In this video, I'll show you how you can fix you need to have Vanguard running to play in League of Legends. Now first what we want to try is come down here and search for Task Manager. In here, press Details, sort by the name, first press L, look if you have League of Legends open. If you do, enter task. If you don't have League, press R, find every Riot client and task on all of them. After that, press V, find VG tray and task. Make sure you close all of that. And after that, what you want to do is come down here, type in services. From in here, you want to scroll down all the way to the V, find VGC, double click, turn this to automatic. Make sure it's not stopped, so press start to open it. After you've done that, try and open up your Riot client and see if you can launch League of Legends. Now if you cannot launch it, it's because we just deactivated all of it, so that should be fine. Then what you want to do is just reboot your PC and see if it works. Now if it still doesn't work, what we want to do is try and uninstall Vanguard real quick. So come to apps and features. In here, search for Vanguard. Uninstall. After you uninstall it, what you want to do is open up your Riot client, and there should be an update on your League of Legends, which is the update to install Riot Vanguard. Now see if it works after that. If it doesn't, come back here, Task Manager, go to Startup, find Vanguard tray. What you want to do is make sure this is enabled. So make sure it just says enabled here. And after you've done all of that, you can just try and restart your PC and then try again. Now I really hope any of these help fix your issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.